Look at the size of that woodpecker. And he's very busy, not paying me any attention at all. Of course, I got it on Zoom. This is the closest I ever got to one of these guys. Oop, there he goes.